Welcome to the Mason Libraries tutorial on using concept maps to plan your research. After viewing this tutorial, you will be able to define concept mapping and create a concept map for your research. Before we create a concept map, let's talk about what it is and why it can help. A concept map is a visual representation of how different parts of a topic relate to each other. It helps you frame your topic and brainstorm ideas for your research. Concept maps can be charts, diagrams, or lists. Whatever format you choose, use a concept map before beginning your research to help you develop ideas and see patterns in your topic. These maps can also save you time during the research process, as they can give you ideas for keywords to use when searching for sources. To create your own concept map, you can use a variety of free online tools, simple pencil and paper, or a word processor. In this tutorial, we're going to go over one main concept map type, a visual diagram of your topic. A visual diagram helps you connect your initial topic with related ideas and identify areas of interest to focus your research. We'll begin by putting our main topic in a bubble at the center of the page. For this example, let's use the topic of sea turtle conservation. Then we will create other bubbles that include topics connected to your main topic, and draw lines to visualize links between the bubbles. If you are stuck, start with bubbles for things you know about this topic, things you don't know about this topic, key terms, and questions you have about the topic. Some ideas related to our topic of sea turtle conservation include public perception, current conservation projects, and risk factors. We'll put each of these related ideas in their own bubble connected to the central topic. Keep building onto your map by adding other ideas related to the main topic or to the new subtopics. For example, we could further build onto the topic of risk factors by adding a bubble for habitat loss and a bubble for ocean debris. The visual diagram is just one way to capture connections between the different pieces of a topic. You can also create concept maps in a word-based outline format. To do this, start with your main idea as the title, and then add a bullet point for each sub-idea. If you have ideas nested within those sub-ideas, indent their bullet points further. In our example, we would have sea turtle conservation as our title. We would have bullet points for public perception, current conservation projects, and risk factors. Beneath the topic of risk factors, we would add indented bullet points for habitat loss and ocean debris. In this tutorial, you learned what concept mapping is and how to create a concept map. Experiment with these different formats to discover which method best helps you to frame your topic and discover new ideas for your research. Thank you for using this tutorial. If you have other questions, please refer to our other tutorials or contact a librarian by following the links in the tutorial's description.